So today I'm going to talk about the best green food and green drink for your health. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell for notifications. When I post a video, I post one every single Thursday. Also, make sure you stay till the end because I have a free gift for you to help you with your health. So let's get started. So people ask me all the time, what about juicing, Raul? Do you juice? Yes, I do. I juice somewhere around 4 to 5 times a week. But what I do is, and people say, nah, I don't do it that way, but I do it and it works out fine. I juice all at one time, store it in a container, and drink a glass every day. Okay? So, if you want a green drink, the green drinks are the best ones. They're a vegetable drink with just an apple in there to sweeten it up a little bit so that it tastes better. So, the ingredients to my green drink, these are the things you're going to need. Now wait a minute, you don't have to worry about writing it down right now because if you look in the description box below, I've already written the ingredients down there for you. So, some of the ingredients that you're going to need are 4 key lime, preferably with seeds, 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 bunch of parsley, 2 cucumbers, 2 or 3 heads of romaine lettuce, 2 bunches of kale greens, 4 green apples, and 2 scoops of super greens. Now for me, the super greens powder is just about as important as the vegetables are because there are companies out there that really sell the good stuff. So you're going to wash all your vegetables real good, you're going to run them all through your juicer, and after you run them through the juicer, you're going to take your super green powder, you're going to add it to the juice, and then you're going to run them through a blender. After you run it through a blender for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, it'll be good and ready to go. So now you can store it in a container and keep the container in your refrigerator and drink 1 glass every single day until it's all gone. I do that every single week and it works out perfect. So if you found this information to be helpful, give me a thumbs up and like and share this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell for future notifications of when I post a new video. I post a new video every week. You can follow me on all social media at godcuredme. Also, for a free list of foods that you should eat for nutritional value, or if you want to jump straight into learning how to heal yourself or virtually end the disease God's way, visit my website at godcuredme.com. All the links are in the description box below. And as always, my name is Raul. I won't just pray for you. I'll feed you knowledge. May your health be blessed through your works. Hope to see you soon.